Have you got a killer idea for a slot gambling app? An app that's not just another slot game but a total addiction. We are talking mind-blowing graphics, features that keep players hooked, and a jackpot so big it'll make your head spin. Hi, I'm Dara and my team at Idea Usher has helped countless startups turn their gaming dreams into reality. We've got the blueprint to build a slot app that not only stands out but dominates the market. Let's dive into the world of slot app development. I promise it'll be more exciting than any jackpot you can win. Creating a slot gambling app is an exciting idea, and here's why. The gambling market is exploding, and slot games are among the most popular and lucrative. Experts say it could be worth almost 10 billion by 2027. That's a lot of money, people. So yeah, there's definitely a big opportunity here. By developing your own slot gambling app, you can tap into a high-margin market with global opportunities. Alright, let's start by identifying the core components of the slot gambling app. Your slot gambling app needs to be packed with features to keep players hooked. Players need to prove who they are, right? That's where user identification comes in. Then they'll want to win and cash out, so payment processing is a must. And of course, you've got to give them awesome slot games to choose from. Customer support is the key to keep players happy. Plus, you'll want to make sure the app works smoothly and people all over the world. So localization is important. But it doesn't stop there. Your website needs to be even cooler with more features and super easy to use design. And behind the scenes, you'll have a control center where you can manage players, check payments, analyze the action, and keep everything secure. Building a top-notch app isn't just about coding. There's a whole lot that goes into it, like making sure everything works perfectly, fixing any bugs, keeping the project on track, and making sure the app keeps running smoothly. And let's not forget about unexpected challenges and the cost of getting the right licenses. Figuring out the exact price for all the fancy features is tough at this stage, but we can definitely give you a good idea of what to expect for the basic version of your app. Here's a hot tip. Why not consider building your app in India? Indian developers are seriously talented and can deliver top-notch work without breaking the bank. Plus, they speak great English and know their stuff when it comes to tech. Many successful startups have already discovered this secret. When developing an app, first we need to figure out who's going to play your game and what they want. What are their biggest complaints about other slot apps? Once we know that, we can check out what the competition is doing wrong. We are looking for a gap in the market, someone no one else is doing great. That's where your special idea comes in. What makes your app different? Is it super fast payouts, exclusive games, or maybe a crazy cool loyalty program? Whatever it is, that's your secret weapon. Now we need to figure out the early fans who are going to love your app. Give them something amazing to talk about. A catchy slogan maybe. The key is to figure what makes your players tick. What do they want? Maybe they are chasing those big wins, or maybe they are tired of dealing with payment headaches. We need to give them what they crave. That's the kind of excitement that keeps players hooked. If we focus on delivering top-notch experience, we'll build a loyal fan base and set ourselves up for long-term success. Next is UI and UX designing. First, we need to map out every possible way a player might use our app. We'll create wireframes to visualize how players will navigate through the app. The design should be clean, modern, and super easy to use. We want to appeal to everyone, from casual gamers to hardcore slot fans. We will also add some cool visuals and sounds to keep players engaged. Now let's talk about tech stack. We want our app to look amazing, handle a ton of players, and be super fast, right? So we need to pick the right tech stack. For the app itself, we can use Flutter or React Native. These two let us build app for both iPhone and Android without starting from scratch. On the back end, we have options like Python with Django, Node.js, or AWS. These make sure everything runs smoothly. And for the website where players can manage their accounts, we can use React, Vue.js, or Angular. These tools help us create websites that look great and are easy to use. To handle payments, we can use services like Stripe or Braintree. And for sending messages and emails, Twilio and SendGrid are our go-to tools. By combining these awesome technologies, we can create a slot gambling app that's not only fun but also super efficient. Instead of building a massive app from scratch, it's better to focus on creating a lean, mean MVP. Think of it as a basic version of your app with core features and that one killer idea that sets you apart. By launching a simple app with the basics, you'll learn what works and what doesn't and get valuable feedback. This speedy approach saves you time, money, and energy. Plus, imagine launching your app with the real users already playing. That's a dream come true for investors. So keep it simple, launch fast, and get ready to impress. It's super important to know what our players are doing in the app. We can use cool tools like Google Analytics, Session Stack, Firebase, and Mixpanel to gather all sorts of data. Imagine being able to see exactly how players are using the app, what they like, and where they might be getting stuck. We can track all sorts of things like how many people are playing, how much money they are spending, and even what time the day they are most active. This information is gold. We can use it to make our app even better and keep players happier. If you are considering creating a slot gambling app and need advice on where to start and how to outplay your competitors, schedule a 30-minute call with us via Calendly. We are here to help you with insider knowledge that could be a game changer for your app startup. So what are you waiting for? Let's make it happen. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more app development insights, and leave any questions in the comments. See you.